We want to check in now into Winston-Salem area, and looks like Lauren Tear is joining us live. It looks cold, and I don't want to say snow. Is that sleet then, Lauren?
I think it's snow. I'm going to show you what I've got
Good,
in my
it's
hand
snow.
here. If you can see it, it's pretty powdery, right? It's not packing snow. It's snow. I think it's snow, which is interesting because all day we've seen freezing rain and even some sleet here in Winston-Salem. But I would say within the last maybe hour and a half, it started to become this pretty snow. And it's like these little tiny snowflakes. I've been equivalating it to glitter in the air in the rest of our hits. So it is starting to dust the ground though here in Winston-Salem. I want you to take a look at the road right here. We are on an overpass over 421. This is right next to downtown Winston-Salem. You can probably see it. There is that white dusting and it is accumulating. One thing that's been really interesting since we've been out here, these roads have been pretty quiet. I'm gonna knock on wood here. We're actually parked over on the side of the road and we've had a couple different police cars pull up and ask if we were doing okay. Yes, sir, we're just out here doing the news. But in talking to them, I asked them, you know, what has it been like for you guys who are on the call and responding to any emergencies? And they said the same thing. It's been pretty quiet. They think that people are probably just heeding those warnings, staying smart, staying off the roads. And from what we can tell, I mean, it would be hard to tell if this was icy or not. So why chance it, right? You know, we can see the snow and earlier they were wet. Of course, now it's between, I want to say 10 and 15 degrees. So it's real cold here in Winston. Like I said, right now we're just seeing some snow, but definitely it seems like most people up here are heeding those warnings and staying off the roads for the most part. Live in Winston-Salem, back to you guys.
Lauren, thank you for braving the elements and showing us. Yes, and Brad is saying that it is indeed some snow. So
Yeah.
appreciate you showing us that. Get some warmth. Run in. Take care.